Childhood stress long-term effect on the brain. Welcome to a deep dive into a groundbreaking study that could reshape our understanding of childhood stress. Researchers made a startling discovery. Early life stress can alter brain development significantly more than physical trauma like a head injury. This study delves into the complex interplay between traumatic brain injuries and stress experienced in early life. Using an animal model, researchers unearthed crucial insights into how these factors might interact to influence brain development as it occurs. We've long known that head injuries in young kids, often from falls, can lead to mood disorders and social difficulties later in life. Similarly, adverse childhood experiences are linked to a range of issues, including disease, mental illness, and substance misuse in adulthood. But the interaction between these two factors remained largely unexplored until now. This research is pioneering in its approach, examining how traumatic brain injury in the context of early life stress could alter the brain's response to injury. The researchers found that stress altered the activation level of far more genes in the brain than a head injury did. This suggests the impact of early life stress on the developing brain might be more significant than we previously thought. It's a crucial reminder of the power of stress, especially in early life, and its potential to lead to lifelong health consequences. To understand this better, let's dive into the methodology. The researchers induced stress in newborn rats by temporarily separating them from their mothers, mimicking the effects of adverse childhood experiences. They then inflicted a concussion-like head injury on these stressed and non-stressed rats. By comparing these rats to uninjured, non-stressed counterparts, they were able to isolate the effects of stress and head injury both separately and combined. Both stress alone and stress combined with a traumatic brain injury activated pathways in neurons associated with brain plasticity. This suggests the brain is potentially entering a new period of vulnerability or undergoing significant changes that could lead to later life deficits. Moreover, both stress conditions affected the oxytocin pathway, linked to social bonding and maternal behavior, differently than head injury alone. This research goes beyond just the physiological effects. Behavior tests on rats that aged into adulthood showed that only those who experienced early life stress exhibited more risk-taking behavior. This aligns with human data showing that early life stress can increase the risk for conditions characterized by risk-taking, like ADHD or substance use disorders. The implications of this study are vast. It highlights the need for addressing adverse childhood experiences, emphasizing the role of social support and enrichment in buffering these effects. As the researchers point out, we can't overstate how damaging early life stressors can be if they're not addressed. This research paves the way for better understanding and potentially mitigating the long-term impacts of early life stress on brain development. This study is a crucial step in unraveling the intricate ways in which our early experiences shape our brain and behavior. It opens up new avenues for research and underscores the importance of nurturing environments in early childhood for healthy brain development. Remember, the experiences we have in our earliest years can leave lasting imprints on our brains and lives. What do you think about this research? Drop us a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more neuroscience news updates.